Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna do a review of Now TV Broadband. I have got a fiber optic connection which gives me a speed of around 30 Mbps. But quickly, let me start with doing a speed test that will give you an idea of what you can expect. It should take a few seconds, and while the speed test is happening, I would quickly run through a few live streaming apps which I use on my television. That will give you a good idea of how or what performance you can expect. I'll talk about a few drawbacks of Now TV, what issues I've been getting since I've got the connection, and what are the merits of it. So let's start with streaming something on your television. So I do have HD content running on my apps, one of them being Netflix. I've also got Amazon Prime, and I do ultra HD streaming all the time from time so very quickly, if I log in into my Netflix and I'll try to stream something for you, so that you can have an idea of how smooth the streaming is. Although I have a really good broadband speed, I've got a fiber optic connection. I do get some streaming or buffering. I've complained to them. Somebody came over to my house for an engineer visit. They looked into the boxes. So this, I'll quickly show you the box. You can see the Now TV Broadband box here. This is how it will look. The three lights on the broadband router. The three green LEDs would show that the connection is working, the landline phone is okay or not. And this is the result. uh, where has the result gone? So the result is download speed I'm getting of 37 Mbps, and the upload speed is 9.3 Mbps. So this is quite good. So in terms of the speed I'm getting, is it's good. The problem I usually get is when it comes down to the continuity. So they also have, this is the login on the Now TV Broadband login I have, and there's an option to go and do some technical checks yourselves. So this is a good thing because it will do the checks from their side, and they will show whether the landline connection is all right or not. They will also check if the router has been set up correctly, if there is not a continuity or seamless connection that you are getting. So they will do their checks from their side. The customer care is really very good. I have contacted them quite a few times, and every time I have been happy with the responses. So they arranged an engineer visit within 2 days. He came over and he replaced the connection box. So you can see the result. It shows that the result is okay. It says that the TV has been set up correctly as well. If you, I don't have a Now TV connection, so that's not an issue for me. So this is the Netflix connection. It's seamless, so I'm quite happy with that. I do watch streaming from time to time. I also watch Amazon Prime, so I'll very quickly show you that as well.